Welcome back everyone to a new video of One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Mission Lane credit card. If you just got your credit card of Mission Lane and if you want to activate it, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'm exactly going to show you how you can. First of all, to activate your card, you need to open up your web browser and just search for a Mission Lane card activation. Now to activate your card, you need to log into your account of Mission Lane. So click on the first link, which is the website of Mission Lane. Now in this website, you can see there are two options, which says sign in to activate, or if you don't yet have an online account of Mission Lane, you will need to create your account first. So if you do have your account, you can just click on sign in to activate. Fill in your details, log in, and you can activate your card. But if you don't yet have an online account of Mission Lane, you can click on find my account and you can create your Mission Lane account. Fill in these details and create your account, and then only you'll be able to activate your credit card of Mission Lane. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. I'll be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.